So welcome to the South African lawn. Okay. Yeah, I like a mow there at about probably, I don't know, about 25 mils or so. Lawn looking lekker, I must be honest. Previous time I mowed here, went too low on my first pass here, so I decided to lift the height a little bit. So a little scalpy there, a little bit ambitious regarding the height, but all in all, looking some goods, okay? But looking goods, looking goods, you know. So somewhere in this area, I managed to ding my blade. The key was lying somewhere there. One half stayed there, the other half I shot about 50 meters in that direction. And these street surfers, they tend to lounge on my lawn, you know. It's looking nice, so they'll chill here for the entire evening until everyone has brought out their dustbins, you know, and then they mess here because the dustbins are here. So you get things like dirty earbuds, and because all the dustbins are here in front of my house, you know. What have we got here? We've got potatoes and carrots. There's carrots, you know, like a potatoes with ants, but I don't care. Oh, it's still raw. Nothing as cock as raw potato. Yes, nee man. Lekker lawn, Owens. Yeah, okay, so I'm doing an application of this plant growth regulator, you know, and I'm just, I'm not that specific on how much I apply here, but the great thing about plant growth regulator is not only that it slows down your lawn. At this stage I want to slow it down because of all the rain. The lawn is growing a little bit too fast, but also what it does is it kind of tightens up the lawn. It makes the plant a little bit more dwarf, maybe more like a bonsai, you know, and then it grows tighter together and just creates an all-round tougher and better looking and better performing surface, you know, uses less water, less fertilizer, all the good things. So this is what I'm going for. Well, that's all in theory. Let's see what it does. Ooh, there's a little bit of clogs. Right, lekker mense, so there the growth regulator is down. I'm not going to walk on the lawn because I've got chemical on it now. That's the lekker thing of this outside strip. I start on the top there and I work my way down, and then yeah, so that's growth regulator. A lot of good benefits, like I've just said, you know, makes the plant grow a little bit slower, uses less water, it's more like resistant to stressful situations. It also grows a little bit tighter, so it looks a little bit better. You know, because that's one thing of Kikuyu, you know, it's got quite a big leaf blade. However, you're gonna struggle, you know. I think you can achieve more smaller leaf blades with more regular mowing. But yeah, great benefits. Try it for yourself. Kikuyu is a little bit more difficult to suppress. It's quite an aggressive grower, but yeah, I mean, if you do this application every 2 weeks or so, it goes down at a very low rate, so you hardly use any product at all. Then you get some good results normally. So this is especially good to do obviously when you're going on holidays or whatever, or if you just can't keep up with mowing, those type of things. So those are the benefits. And then I must also admit that it is not only plant growth regulator that goes in there. I've also got a wetting agent, and I've got some nitrogen added in there. So all my liquid stuff, I try to apply them at once, then I don't have to spray 2 or 3 times. It's just a one and done. then I'm finished. So the only thing I try to keep in mind is if they actually do mix together, which you can test with a small container and just pour a little bit together and see whether they mix well in water. And the other thing to keep in mind is if it's a soil product, then you don't want to apply it with a foliar product. So this you don't want to water in, you want to leave it on the leaves. And some of your nitrogen stuff at low rates, you can also do that. So that's why I apply low rate nitrogen rate with my growth regulator. Huh? How's that? You know, I love how I try to keep making up these pros about these products just to make an informative video. You guys are just here for the fun, just like me. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Lekker, man. Yeah, so I think that's going to wrap it up. This outside section is looking lekker. How's it? Outside section is looking lekker. Oh, look at those dogs. My neighbor, that's the one I'm doing the grass for. Hello, Woofy. He just loves me. It looks great. It's probably mowed at around 25 mil. And I must say, with this rain, it's like maintenance-free lawning. I promise you, all the natural nitrogen coming down just keeps growing. You've just got to keep mowing. Keep up with the mowing, and it's happy. Joburg is a lekker place. What a dream. Guys, so that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, then I don't know who the winner is of the competition, but to both of the winners, congratulations. I'm quite excited to see who they are. Obviously you know by now. Cheers.